KANSEPT is a knife company that's been pretty reputable. I have featured a lot of their knives on the channel. Awesome company, and they have a lot of great knives. Now, they recently came out with a new company, Tenable, which is a budget line to their, to the KANSEPT line. Some of which are going to be the KANSEPT knives, just in a more budget-friendly version, which I think is pretty cool. I think it's awesome having examples of all price ranges for people. You might like the style of a knife. Isn't it cool if you can get it in a budget version if your price category or, budget is a little bit lower? This still is running 14C 28M blade steel. Beautiful sheep's foot blade. It kind of has this little notch right there. It's actually kind of cool. Kind of like putting my finger right there. Nice stone wash finish. Liner lock action. This thing is very, very smooth. I did throw some KPL on the detent ball, which absolutely helped. Not that it was bad, but once you put some KPL on there, things change. Titanium mill pocket clip for such a budget-friendly knife. I think that's awesome. I love seeing a titanium mill pocket clip because it does make you feel, it's a little bit more premium materials, and I personally like the look of a milled pocket clip in the pocket. It looks so much better than like just a cheap clip. This one does work well too. Nice, good ramp. Man, the tension is perfect. This is a great clip. KANSEPT has the ability to do some really, really good clips. Good access to the lock bar. And like I said, very, very smooth. The flipper tab is a minimal flipper tab. So, you do have to, it doesn't, I guess it does have a little bit of jipping there, but it doesn't matter. It's kind of slippery and it flips great. So no problems with that. Maybe it's doing more and I'm just not acknowledging. It's riding on ceramic caged bearings. And then this example has the blue micarta, but it does come in other color options. Obviously with the green pivot. Ergonomically, this flipper tab kind of pushes you back a little bit, but not in a bad way. I still got a full 4-finger grip, and I can choke up if I want to, which this is very comfortable. This spot right there really kind of gives you a choil without having a finger choil. And the sharpen choil and plunge grind is good. The plunge grind starts here, it ends about right there. You have plenty of life. It's nice and slicey. Great blade shape for EDC. This edge is not quite perfectly straight. It has a little tiny bit of belly, not much, but that is going to benefit you in a lot of ways. You can see it's not perfectly straight, but that's going to benefit you in a lot of ways. One, it's almost straight, so slicing, it's going to be able to cut all the way out to the tippity tip. And also, if you want to turn it around, cut backwards, since the flipper tab is not very big, it's going to be easy to trap materials and cut backwards. But utility cuts are going to be amazing. So it should excel in most cutting tasks, especially for everyday carry purposes. All in all, this is pretty cool. This is the DOCK Designs. I'm not sure if they go by just DOCK. I think that's what it goes by instead of DOC. But that's who the designer is. They have designed other knives with KANSEPT as well. Lots of milling on the inside with the scales, so the weight relieving is, it's very light. This should go down should go into a lightweight knife video, because to me this is very, very light. Yeah, look at that milling on there. They have tons of milling. So, and this micarta is just known for being extremely light. Then you throw a titanium mill pocket clip on there. That's usually pretty light, especially compared to like a steel clip. My complaints, the only negatives I really have is T6s. I wish they were T8s, and they are T6s. Other than that, it'd be cool maybe to have a reversible clip. Not that that's that big of a deal. It's technically not an ambidextrous knife, but I mean, it's very easy to use left-handed, but so that'd be cool for the lefties. Other than that, man, I can't really complain about much, especially for a budget knife. It's got a lot going for it. Lockup is rock solid. Nice and solid, yeah. So there you guys go. Just a quick look at it. Really no real complaints. I'm trying to think of something to really nitpick here. Besides just the hardware, the jimping maybe could be a little bit sharper. I don't know if it would really affect anything, but, I tend to like functional jimping if I'm going to have it. I don't like slick jimping, so that could be better, but if it wasn't there, I don't know if it'd be any different, to be honest. So yeah, there you guys go. I tried to come up with some nitpicks, but it's just, you know, it's so affordable. What are you gonna do? Work hard, stay tough. Oh wait, no, back up. If you guys like this type of content, I'm gonna put some cards up here on the screen for you to click on. So check those out if you want to see more content from me. Work hard, stay tough. Until next time, peace.